Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this fall makeup right here. This is my first fall makeup tutorial and I'm so excited. I love the fall time and I love the deep, dark, vampy colors, so I'm so excited to do more. So let's start this video off right by doing this makeup look right here. Before we get started, I just wanted to bring attention that I know I have been pretty absent here on YouTube for the last month or so, and I'm so sorry. I was actually hoping to make today's video kind of like a life update, what I've been up to type of video, but unfortunately things got very bad and went very south very quickly, and I'm just not really ready to kind of share everything yet. Hopefully I can share kind of what has been going on soon, but for right now I just want to kind of put all of that in my past and just start fresh and get right back into why I started this channel in the first place, and that is makeup. So I'm so excited to share this makeup look here today. So if you are interested in this video, please just keep on watching. But before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you guys can get notified each time I upload, and join my glam fam. And with that being said, let's just jump right in. Alright, let's start with prepping the skin. I'm going to be going in today with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I love this stuff, and I actually picked it up at the Ulta sale that they have. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. This is a full coverage sunscreen, and I have been obsessed with this lately. Like, oh my god, this is a great like everyday type of foundation. It is so lightweight, it's so comfortable, it wears all day long. The shade range is really good. It's just like any other Maybelline foundations. And so, I've just been like obsessed with this stuff lately, and I would say it's about a medium to full coverage, but it's very buildable because it doesn't feel cakey whatsoever. And I am freaking pale right now. My goodness gracious, I need a tan. Oh, and the stress acne over here, it's real. It is a real thing. Oh my god. Next for concealer, my handy dandy Tarte Shape Tape. Love this stuff. Just bought a new one. Can't beat it. Just like I always do, I'm going to go in a triangle shape under my eye and do a little bit on my eyeshadow, or on my eyelid, to act as an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to put some on my blemishes I have going on over here, because those are cute. I'm going to blend that out with my very dirty beauty blender. Cute. Wow, I was really prepared for this video. Just showing you the raw me and all my dirty ass stuff. Alright, now that we have my base down, I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I absolutely love this stuff, and you can't beat that price range. It's like 10 bucks at any drugstore. I'm just lightly setting the places that I put the concealer, just so it doesn't budge. Alright, so the base of the face is all finished now. I'm going to move on to the eyes and then come back and finish the face later, but I want to do the eyes first. The first step I'm going to do is actually go back in with this loose setting powder and put a generous amount under my eyes, because I am going to be working with darker, deeper, vampier colors today for the eyes, and I don't want it to kind of come down on this part of my face. So doing this step will help prevent that, and I can just kind of wipe it away when I'm done. You guys have no idea how excited I am to do my first fall like makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. Like fall makeup is like one of my favorite things ever. So I just can't wait. I love playing with these colors all year around, but like it definitely gives me an excuse in the fall time to use these like cranberry brown and orangey tans, and oh, they're just so beautiful, and especially on blue eyes. Not that they're not on other color eyes, but blue eyes, it just So for today's video, I'm going to be jumping into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe original palette, and then her other two palettes right here that are Ring the Alarm and Armed and Gorgeous. So all Jaclyn Hill Morphe, so very affordable stuff here today. And I'm just so excited. Let's dive on in. So the look I want to be recreating, I actually saw on Casey Holmes. She like posted a bunch of like fall inspiration pictures, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I have to do it. Like it just gave me every fall vibe that I needed in my life. So this is the picture. She is gorgeous. I don't know her name. She didn't really tag her or anybody, but like look at this. Ah, beautiful. I'm loving the like purple and orange and brown, and everything about this eye look is beautiful. And it seems like it is an all matte look besides the inner corner and the highlight on the brow bone. So I'm all here for that. I love this look, and I'm so excited to try and recreate it, or just be like an inspired look that's close to it. I would totally give her the recognition, but again, like I said, she didn't tag her, and she probably found this picture on Pinterest anyways. So but yes, this is kind of what we're going to be going off of today, because it is beautiful. This thing has seen better days. Oh my lord, oh my lord. All right, so the first shade we're going to go in right here is the shade called Butter. I think this is a great, beautiful beginner transition shade. It is just like a nice orangey tan color. And I'm going to be doing this, let's zoom you in. So we're going to go in with Butter right here. As you guys can see, my crease is kind of right where that line is when I kind of open my eye. So we're going to be putting this color right above the crease so that you can see it when I am opening up my eye. So we're going to start with that right there. All right, next I'm jumping into the Armed and Gorgeous palette. For this next look, I'm going to be mixing the color Access and Agent right here. So these two orangey and creamsicle type of colors. So I'm going to be mixing them and applying it right on top of the color I just applied. So we're going to be mixing kind of all three together now. Tell me that's not like the prettiest color for fall. Like this is the definition of fall right here. This makeup look right here. And I'm going to try and wing this one out a little bit more. Next, I'm jumping into the other Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Ring the Alarm one. And today I'm going in with Siren right here. It's this beautiful like plum brownie color. It is gorgeous. And so that one I am going to be applying right into my crease right here. So right below that color we just did. So this one I am really focusing on the outer corner right here, and then the crease from inner to outer corner. All right, jumping into the original Jaclyn Morphe palette again, I'm going in with this shade right here. It's called Buns. And this one I'm only going to be focusing on the outer corner for this one, just to deepen that up a little bit. So once you put the initial shade on the outer corner, you can kind of blend in, and so it'll like diffuse it into like an ombre type of eye look. And it is gorgeous. Next, I'm going to be going in with this small detailed brush. So I'm going to be using this black shade down here in the corner. This is the shade Abyss. in the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It is a beautiful black. So I'm going to be pressing this where I would do, can you guys see that fallout right there? See, this is why we put that powder under our eyes initially, so it doesn't get on there. Okay, sorry, I'm getting off topic. So I'm going to be pressing this where I would put eyeliner and then kind of flick it up, and this will make like a really pretty like blended eyeliner type effect. So that's what I'm going to do now. And this one I'm doing all the way from inner to outer corner. I'm going to wipe the excess product on a washcloth, and so it is a clean one, and now I'm just going to be kind of flicking it up. And this makes a really pretty like blended eyeliner. Alright, so we are finished with this eye for now. I'm going to do the other one off camera, and then I'll come back for the lower lash line for both of them. So I'll be back in just a sec. Alright, I finished my other eye off camera, and now I'm going to wipe away this under eye powder. See, and that helps, like I got none of the dark colors on my face now, so there you go. So for the lower line, I like to mimic what I did on the top. So I'm going to be pretty much using the same shades. So I'm going to go in with the color Siren right here from the Ring the Alarm palette with my definer brush right here. And I'm going to be close lining my waterline on my lower lashes. Next, with a pencil brush, I'm going to be going in with Access and Agent from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I'm going to be kind of blending that out underneath that purple shade. Oh my god, this looks so pretty! So now we can kind of go back in and finish the face up. I'm going to start off with bronzer. And guys, oh my lord, I'm so excited to share this bronzer with you. I've wanted this bronzer for so freaking long, and I just could never justify the price point. But I actually found it at TJ Maxx for less than a quarter of the price. So this is the NARS bronzer in the shade Laguna, and this usually retails for $40, and I picked it up for $16 at TJ Maxx. So guys, I've told you this so many times, but always just make sure to, if you're at TJ Maxx, just go by the makeup section and just see what they have, because sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss, but this was a huge hit for me that day, and I've been obsessed with this bronzer lately. So I'm going in with my Morphe M530 brush, and I'm just going to start kind of bronzing up the cheeks and contouring out my cheekbones. My jawline down here. Give me a jawline, because I don't have one. I look like frickin' Linda Belcher over here. Next, I'll be using my favorite fall blush. This is the MAC blush in the shade Melba, and I love this color for fall. It is this beautiful, warm, rosy shade, and I'm obsessed with this shade. Like, seriously, this should be on everyone's fall makeup essentials because it is beautiful. So I'm going to be applying that. And it's just so, like, warm and beautiful. Oh, I love this color for fall. It's so pretty. Guys, I love the fall. I love fall time. my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm going to be outlining my eyebrows, and then I'll be filling them in after that. Next, to fill them in, I'm going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. I'm absolutely obsessed with this stuff. On a daily basis, this is like all I do. I just kind of poop, 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 throw on some eyebrows and call it a day. But God, I love this stuff. All right, next, some final touches. We're going to be doing highlight. I'm going to go in and first do the inner corner of my eye. This is the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to be going in with this beautiful shimmery white shade right here. This is the shade VIP. Tell me that is not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life. Oh my God. You can see it from space. I'm going to hit the brow bone too up here to add a pop. And for the face, I'm going to be, ooh, do I want to do champagne pop, or which one do I want to do? Which one do I want to do? I'm thinking champagne pop. All right, my champagne pop wins for today. Let's go for the gods. Especially because it's like such a Jaclyn Hill video, you know? You know what I mean? Might as well do the champagne pop. Next, let's throw on some lashes. Of course, I'm going in with my favorite Ardell Wispies. They're just my favorite lashes. I freaking love them. All right, threw on some eyelashes. That was a disaster. Hey. All right, going in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara just to blend together the falsies and the real lashes, and then go in with a coat on the bottom. See, there's glue all over the place. Oh my Lord, that was messy. Ah. Oh Lord. And then let's line the lips. This is the NYX Suede lip pencil in the shade London. I love this shade. It's so neutral. And for lipstick, this is one of my favorite fall lipsticks. Actually, just one of my favorite lipsticks ever. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. Is that even a word? I don't know. I think this look is complete. I'm loving it. I do think I did pretty decent at recreating this look. What do you guys think? It's somewhat similar. I mean, I don't look like her, but I think it's close. I did my best. I'll take it as a win. All right. All right, so that'll wrap up today's video. I hope you guys really liked it. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing so many fall videos and fall like clothing hauls and favorites and makeup looks and all that jazz. So I'm so excited. Please let me know if you guys want to see any specific videos from me. I'm hoping I can get a little bit more back on schedule and everything like that. But that is it for today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share some love. And I will hopefully see you guys soon. Bye.